having picture and everything. Between me and me just I get the file. Them know how, you know. The boy pick up on the girl every morning, she have her. Pick her up like a bus stop in her yard, you know. He might look it. But the girl tell her mother say, yo, he might look her. He might just friend, he don't have a friend. But now he might force up, he want a relationship. And she tell him say, yo, she have a man. So the man when he pick her up, she not turn up back. And him not turn up at work the other day, the other day.
While her disappearance remains shrouded in mystery, the search for 20-year-old Khanice Jackson ended right here, on the Dyke Road on the Jam World compound in Portmore, next to the fishing village, where her lifeless body was found. This has left her family shattered and a community in mourning. Khanice was found in the bushes at the side of the road, bound by a rope and partially dressed among the debris early Friday morning. She was discovered by a taximan who alerted the police to the location. The CVM Live team was greeted by the family with tears of sorrow as they related their pain in identifying the mother's only child.
Don't know, her room is around there. I went in and look, empty room. And there will be no Khanice back in there. None at all. I was hoping I would see her come home. Even when you did the interview yesterday, I think, the man would see all of this and let her out. I don't know how long these things will go on. Will people taking away people, Pitney, and I kill them? I wish the day it would stop. Because right now, see, I fall victim to it, and I pray the day this wouldn't happen. This was my worst nightmare.
The CVM Live team was present when news came that the person of interest was held in police custody. There was a sense of relief mixed with pain, because the family said the same information that they see in the media regarding the person of interest was the same person they asked the police to investigate when they realized she was missing.
I gave him a name, where he worked, the conversation, I showed the police the text message, everything. And on March the 20th, it was the Wednesday, the day when she went missing, the same night after the curfew, about 8:15, went to the police station and made a report because I did see Khanice come home. Me, her mom, and my dad. And you, the Jamaican people, played a big part in this. I can't thank you enough. Each and every one of you who provide information. If I could have seen a hug and a thank you.
Meanwhile, a voice note obtained by CVM TV shows the conversation between Khanice's sister and the person of interest. This shows another depth to the mysterious disappearance of Khanice Jackson. Senior reporter Nika Lewis picks up on this story.
Was one of several relatives with whom the alleged suspect tried to make contact early Friday morning from an unknown number. It appears she was also the only relative who was willing to give him a listening ear. An 18-minute phone call placed to the victim's sister from the suspect's phone at 9:23 Friday morning revealed that the seemingly kind resident who Khanice trusted with her daily commute could have been the last person to see her alive.
So you are the last person to see her. You are the last person to see her, Robert. I'm begging you. May I aid you for just come forth and say what you know, so them not hunt you down. May I tell you, because the whole world I look fair.
And I will do that. But alright, let me tell you.
Yes, please.
I tell you again from start. I never carry her. Last week I never carry her.
Right, but we're talking about Wednesday.
The mechanic who plies his trade at a popular car dealership in the corporate area also admitted to having an altercation with the victim the same morning she disappeared. He recounted an alleged incident at the bus stop.
You know, me and her out there because me can't go carry her and she away from our bus. So, she, look at she walk and she push me. And say, what should I say? I don't want to pretend my life on her. She said something. And me push her back and say, she me. But I look around, so this boy look like him know her. Him know, him hold me and start choke me up and do me all kind of something. So eventually, me lick him back. And me lick him in his face and them something there. And hold him round him neck. And
So no was fighting out at the bus stop? How the guy look?
this is it. No, I don't know him. So I don't necessarily know him. But if I go to the bus stop and if me see him again, which never look like him, I go nowhere either.
He was picked up Friday afternoon by the Halfway Tree police and is now in custody.
And me and she have something like this disagreement now, you know. That is when everything turned out with me and him, and she said, I think I told she said around our kind of fight outside. And me going to be the two of them.
Meanwhile, several pleas for him during the conversation to declare his full name and contact seemed to anger him. However, he insisted that was the last time he saw Khanice. Nika Lewis, CVM Live.